Yeah, fortunately things were pretty nice out for us to end the weekend. It was chilly to start, but hey, nice to see the temperatures. We're back into the 50s for us today, so we're going to continue to see relatively calm conditions heading into tonight. But definitely was a mild day for us. Temperatures were in the mid 50s, so nice to see we're at 55 degrees, or 54 rather, here in Columbus, 55 down in Portsmouth, only 49 up in Cleveland and Youngstown. So a little more cloud coverage kind of shielded you from some of that sunshine. Otherwise, pretty pleasant across the board, and nice to see we're still looking at mostly clear skies for the moment, but some big changes coming our way. Looking at a big picture view here, you can see just all the severe thunderstorm warnings and actually tornado warnings that are firing off towards the southern plains. This is going to be associated with the next system that's going to bring us our next round of inconvenient weather as we head into your Monday. The good news is things should be pretty quiet up until tomorrow morning when we'll start to see some of those showers move on in. So we're just going to continue to see these temperatures fall slowly into the 30s later tonight. Currently 50 degrees in Zanesville, 49 in McConnellsville, 48 in Athens, closer to Central Ohio, 51 here in Columbus still, 45 up in Delaware, 47 in Mansfield, and 43 in Marion. We are going to be looking at the potential for some severe weather tomorrow. Fortunately, it's going to be nowhere near some of the severity that we are looking at this evening across parts of the plains, but we are looking at a slight risk for severe weather. So that's a 2 out of 5 on the scale if you're looking at just the way that this is sorted through. But we are going to be looking at a good chunk of Central Ohio, kind of on the edge of where we could see some marginal severe weather, meaning a couple stronger storms on top of the already breezy conditions that will be taking place as we head into your Monday. We have those wind advisories in effect starting at 7 o'clock. Those will be in effect until about 10 p.m. Might see a few of them expire a little bit earlier into the night for us Monday, but nonetheless, it's going to be a windy, wet, and honestly kind of a warm day for us. But heading into tonight, it'll be pretty chilly before we'll enjoy some warmer weather, but more so heading into tomorrow morning. You want to keep an eye out for some heavy rain. It's not going to be widespread, but we will see some scattered showers pick up for some areas as we head into the mid-morning hours. So right around into the morning commute, we are going to be looking at some heavy rain from time to time. Watch as we approach lunchtime, though. There will be a brief time of some dry weather starting to work in, but shortly behind that, we are going to be looking at some storms that will be moving through. From 12 p.m. to about 6 is going to be our window where we could see a couple of these stronger storms. Going into about 1, 2 o'clock, that's where we could see potentially some of these stronger storms exist. It'll be something we'll have to keep a close eye on is how they evolve through the morning hours, especially if the rain tends to linger a bit longer. But we are looking at a bit of a mess pretty much from the afternoon to the evening commute. But as we head into about 6, 7 o'clock, things should be winding down quickly. We'll just have a few leftover showers. So pretty much during the morning commute, we'll see some showers, some heavy rain going into the lunchtime hours, and then again, wrapping up into the late evening. But beyond that, we are going to be looking at dry conditions on Tuesday, some brief showers for us heading into the midweek on Wednesday. But then heading into Thursday night, Friday morning, that's where we're going to see our next wave of showers and storms, potentially more rain than snow. But we are going to be keeping a close eye on the potential for a wintry mix to wrap up the week. And that's going to allow for maybe a little bit of snow as we head into the start of the weekend. A little too early to talk about the specifics, but something that will be changing. But of course, the first thing we want to bring our attention to is what we're going to be dealing with for your Monday. Those storms again arriving late into the morning, afternoon, evening hours where we have the greatest threat for the potential for some stronger storms, some brief showers then as we head into Wednesday. And talking about another day in the week where highs are going to be near 70 degrees for us heading into Wednesday with a few showers, but perhaps looking at more impactful weather towards the end of the week. And then another chilly start to the weekend with highs into the 40s.